The Nissan Maxima is a flagship sedan that blends performance, luxury, and advanced technology into a sleek and stylish package. Known for its sporty handling and powerful engine, the Maxima delivers an engaging driving experience while offering the comfort and refinement expected of a premium sedan. With a bold design, cutting-edge safety features, and a spacious, tech-filled interior, the Maxima appeals to drivers who want a balance of dynamic performance and everyday practicality. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Nissan Maxima stands out as a sophisticated and capable choice. Introducing the all-new 2026 Nissan Maxima Electric Vehicle, a bold step into the future of performance, luxury, and sustainability. The 2026 Maxima EV takes design to a new level with its aerodynamic and futuristic exterior. A closed grille with ducts that channels air to cool the front brakes, as well as sharp LED headlights, provide a striking visual front signature. With a flowing, coupe-like silhouette, flush door handles, and large aerodynamically optimized wheels, the Maxima EV isn't just about style, it's about efficiency. Every curve and surface is designed to reduce drag, enhancing range and performance. At the rear, an elegant LED taillight shows simplicity in an elegant and aggressive manner, giving it a bold, modern look. The intricate rear bumper and diffuser enhance the Maxima's sporty, aerodynamic design. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's not only luxurious but environmentally conscious. The 2026 Maxima EV uses sustainable materials like eco-friendly leather and recycled fabrics, ensuring a premium feel while reducing environmental impact. The centerpiece of the interior is the 15-inch digital display, seamlessly integrating infotainment controls that would normally require physical buttons and knobs. It's equipped with the latest Nissan Connect system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time range management. With class-leading legroom and a panoramic glass roof, the Maxima EV offers an open, airy experience for all passengers, making every ride comfortable whether in the city or on long journeys. At the heart of the 2026 Maxima EV is an advanced electric powertrain. A dual motor setup delivers up to 400 horsepower, providing instant torque for exhilarating acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.3 seconds. The low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery placement, gives the Maxima EV excellent handling dynamics. Whether you're on winding roads or cruising at highway speeds, the Maxima EV delivers a smooth, controlled ride. Advanced regenerative braking lets you control the level of energy recovery, enhancing driving efficiency while extending range. With a fully charged battery, the Maxima EV offers up to 350 miles of range, making it ideal for both daily commutes and longer adventures. The 2026 Nissan Maxima Electric Vehicle, a new era of luxury, performance, and sustainability. With cutting-edge technology and zero emissions, the future of driving starts here.